Hello, this is Tim with Highmark Communication, and today I'd like to show you how to register an ION headset to the ION base station. Now you know it's an ION headset because you'll see it'll have blue around the keys here. That tells you it's an ION. The other compatible headset that you can register to the ION base station would be the newer Chrome headset. You'll see that these headsets are almost identical, with the exception of course, the Chrome bezel. But these are the two headsets that will register to the ION base station. So the first step in registering an ION headset to an ION base station is to place the battery, of course, in the headset. So have your battery, it slides right in the slot, like this. And then the next thing we need to do is actually to go into the menu system of the base station to put it in registration mode. You can accomplish that by pressing the menu button in the lower left-hand corner. However, if you find that the screen is dark, that's not a problem. It actually will go dark when it's not in use. So if you press any button, it'll light up for you. But once you press the menu button, you'll see up here in the upper right-hand corner, it'll say Register Headsets. So you press that button there. At this point, the base station will tell you how many headsets you have registered to the base station and how many more you can register to the base station. In this case, I have 10 headsets registered to this base station, and as the base station will remember 15 headsets, 5 more can be registered to it. So we have room to register this headset. So if you ever run into a situation where there is not enough room on the base station to register the headsets, then we'll actually have to clear the memory of the headsets that are not used. And I'll cover how to do that in an upcoming video. So for now, all we need to do is press the Register Headsets button in the lower right-hand corner, and that'll bring you to this page, which will give you instructions on what to do. Well, in this case, we need to tell the headset it needs to be in registration mode as well. To accomplish that, we simply press and hold the B button on the headset. While we're holding the button down, we're going to push the power button, the red button here on the side, and power it up. You'll get a green flashing light here, and at this point I can let go of the B button and it's in registration mode. You'll also hear the headset will say registration. At this point, since we're only registering one headset, I'm going to press Register Single. And as you can see, as soon as I did that, it grabbed the headset. It said it was headset A. And you'll notice we now have a solid green light on the headset. When you see that, you know that that headset is registered and it is ready to be used, as you can hear. If you ever have a situation where you need to register more than one headset at the same time, you can do that. What you'll do is with each of the headsets you need to register, once again, we're going to place the headset in registration mode, so I'll demonstrate that again with the Chrome headset here. By once holding the B button down, turning the power on, you get the flashing light. And now, if I have more than one headset, I will actually take the next headset, do the same thing. Hold the B button down, power it up, and set it down. You can have multiple headsets, just as long as they're all in registration mode, and then you can press the Register Multi button. What that will do is it will register all of the headsets together as one group. Once again, once the blinking light goes out and you get the solid green light, then the headset's registered, and you'll see it's now headset B is registered and it's ready to go. Once you have all your headsets registered, to get out of the menu, you'll see below the screen on the left here it says back. So I simply press back, 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 back to the lane status screen, and congratulations, you have registered your headsets. Thanks and have a great day.